Riding revs our heart. That's why we don't just manufacture two-wheelers. We engineer excitement. Hi, I'm your Yamaha service advisor and I'm here to introduce you to a quality care program especially designed for your Yamaha so you enjoy the same riding experience every time. Presenting Yamaha Lifetime Quality Care, a unique initiative built on three pillars of time, quality and care to ensure that customers' most preferred services are available under one roof at a reasonable price. Which means when it comes to service quality, we leave no stone unturned because all our technicians are specially trained and certified by the Yamaha Training Academy. For us, service quality also includes how we serve you. Reason why we also have a dedicated female service advisor for all our female customers. To give you an advanced riding experience, we also have an advanced FI station that can scan your bike's performance and give the exact diagnosis within minutes. For us, time is the key. That's why we take only 30 minutes for a quick repair and just 90 minutes for a full service. And while you make yourself comfortable in the lounge, we would love to tell you about the many more benefits of Yamaha Lifetime Quality Care. Because a great ride needs superior care.